This is about Lesson 2, which is Chapter 1. The first chapter will set the framework for the course. It reviews general information about nutrition that you will then apply to different age groups during the rest of the semester. So here's some of the things you'll want to pay special attention to. First off, there's principles of nutrition. I won't list them here, but we'll put them on the page so you can see them. The book provides details of these principles and the application of these principles to the diet. So the second thing is I think one of the most important parts of this chapter is the discussion of nutrients. An understanding of these nutrients will factor into almost every part of nutritional study. They are carbohydrates, source of energy, made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and can be simple or complex depending on the number of molecules in the string and the chemical bonds. The nutrient also includes fiber, which is necessary for digestive function. Protein is the second one. Protein provides amino acids which build and repair tissues in the body. Fats are another source of energy that provides 9 calories per gram, so we have to be careful with those. Read the text carefully for a discussion of saturated, unsaturated, trans fats, and cholesterol, and you'll learn what are the good and the bad actors right now. Vitamins are substances that have specific functions in the body. An important distinction in vitamins that affect their use is whether they're soluble in fat or water. Fat soluble means that they're retained in fat cells in the body, so you can keep them forever. Excessive consumption does build up over time. Water soluble means that the water holds the vitamins and any excess is excreted in the urine. Table 1.9 and 1.10 give detailed information on vitamins and their sources. You'll find yourself referring back to this many times throughout the course. There are 15 minerals that are required in the body, and these substances carry a charge in water. They chemically allow necessary processes to take place in the body. Table 1.13 goes through both the major and the minor minerals required for the body, and 1.14 provides food sources for these minerals. Again, mark the table, you'll use it throughout the course. Of course, the final nutrient is water. We are between 60 and 70% water. We lose water through sweating, urination, and even as we breathe out. So this week's assignment asks you to review and explain a nutrient label. And so pay attention to the discussion within the chapter on the nutrient labels. The remainder of the chapter is devoted to nutritional assessment and several very effective ways to deal with diet planning. Now that you've learned the basics, let's go forward and see how these principles can be applied to each age group.